So we're going to do a little review on this AirMoto Start air pump on this motor bicycle, which I think is the perfect size for this kind of stuff. Stay tuned, guys, because after we do that quick little review, we're going to tune this carburetor. We're going to get it running mint, because it's 4-stroking at the low end and it's leaned out at the top end. So we're going to lower the needle and we're going to rejet it and see what that does. But let's see how good. See that? It's been sitting since January, guys. I haven't had a chance to ride it. AirMoto Start air pump. This is free to me. I'm going to have a link in the description. You could go buy it yourself. Hopefully at a little discount. So we're going to get this pumped up here. Inflate to 40 PSI. Nice flexible little do-jabber. That's convenient. Okay, so that is... Oh, you got all kinds of options. Car... Oh, motorcycle, bicycle. Okay, so we're gonna go right to 40. I swear I've used this before. There we go. So there's the code. I'm gonna put a link here, or the code to get the discount. Go in my description, check it out. I think it'd be a very convenient thing to have for if you guys are on the road, you have to swap out your inner tube there. You never know. So it charges there with USB-C. I'm just wondering if you could use that to charge other devices on the go. I don't know. But it fits right up in here. So that's cool. Alright. Buy it if you want. Don't buy it. Don't matter to me. But buy it. I don't know. Alright, what am I doing? I haven't touched this bike in almost a year. What? Oh! Alright, see this clip? So I'm going to move this clip up a couple. I should drop the needle down. Go right to... Oh, almost lost my clip. Drop her in there. It might be too much, but we'll figure it out. There. So that part's done. Now I need a screwdriver. Oh. So I think when I had this part last time, my buddy Dave and I figured out it was a 92 Jet.
Have you ever tried making your videos with bloopers?
My whole video is a blooper. I don't even know why people subscribe to this.
Because you're funny. And what is that liquid coming out?
That is gasoline oil.
Ew.
Old gas, old oil. Very old. Replacing this guy. It's a 92 per that. So we're gonna go a couple jet sizes bigger. Which I got this big bag. Keihin Carbs, I think it is. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if these are that fit. Because this is a... Oh, it might be... I need another winch. Alright, so it's a double unit. Keep the stock over there. Now we're going to put this back in. What size should we go with, guys? That's 92. Let's go up to 120. Yeah. Nothing to see.
But
Nothing to see here. Yeah, these makuni carbs, the clones, I guess they're kind of difficult to tune. Get back in here, what? Filthy little carburetor. Wait. Gotcha. Get in your home. Son of a gun. Animals. Make sure your cap's on tight, because you're going to sucking air in through there and make it run weird. Oops, you don't want to hold now. Okay. Oh, my needle's bent. Dang it. Felt like it went in. Oh. Guys, why'd you let me do that? Let's see if we can do this without breaking it. Dude, it's soft. It's soft. Yep. It's always a learning curve on this channel. Okay, that's back in. Smashed pin. Smashed pin's back in. That's a lot better. It ain't done nice unless you do it twice. You have a picture of my face when I said that. It's not done twice unless you do it nice. Nope. It's not done nice unless you do it twice. Nope, that's wrong. Get a picture of that slide. Alright. Cut. That's loud. Wow. Yeah, my wife's not yelling at me. So, it feels a lot better in the lower range. But I think it's 4-stroke on the top end now. So we're going to go down a couple jet sizes. And I think that's going to be pretty well dialed in. Obnoxious bike, guys. This is not something I could just tool around the neighborhood too often. I'll have the cops called on me. Whew. Ouch. Gotta pull that carb off one more time. Drop it down one jet size and see what that gets me. So the 120 is a little rich at the top end. So we're gonna knock it down one jet. There's a 105. I'm gonna slam this 110 in there. Man, why the hell are you shaking for? Well, I'm starving and I drank a whole pot of coffee before 1 o'clock. Ah, that makes sense. Was it good coffee at least? No. It was Hanford brand dark roast, which is still better than Maxwell House. I'm gonna leave the needle alone. Come on! Every nerve is firing at once. Look at that. Look at that. Dang it. Woo! The next scene, I'm gonna take you on the ride, see how she's riding and sounding, and see if it's supposed to be, see if it's doing what it's supposed to be. To see if it's doing what it's supposed to do. Yeah, we're having fun now. Yeah, the extra clutch is in there. She's warmed up right now. I'm not doing a speed run, I'm just checking to see if it's still 4-stroking. Wow, it's loud. Dork. Well. So, yeah, it was 4-stroke a little bit when I took out of the driveway, but she was still kind of cold yet. I think on my way back, she smoothed out quite a bit. For now, I have more jets, and it's about, what temperature we got right now? We're at 55 degrees. It's 3:42 at November 1st. So she smoothed out on the way back. Thanks to AirMoto Smart Air Pump for donating your pump to the channel. I like it, it works. Use appropriately, it should last you. Minarelli, for the intent of this video, the Carburator, the China clone makuni carb is dialed in at 110 jet. 4 strokes a little bit when she's cold and kind of smoothed out towards the end of my ride. We're gonna call that good till it's broken in fully. Thanks for watching my channel, ColdStart Garage. Watch this video or this video. Thanks very much.